currently like 5 o'clock. We checked into the public hotel. I did my makeup. I have a few hours until I have a meeting. This hotel is so cute in such a good location. It's literally a 4-minute walk from Frankie Shop, just right in the middle of SoHo. I think we're gonna maybe go explore, shop a little, because the only thing I brought is this Zara coat from like 4 years ago. So excited to be here. We're gonna drink a lot of matcha, do a bunch of shopping, and go explore some Christmassy parts that you just can't get in LA. Also, this has been my official airport outfit for quite a while now. This top is airy, but it's like that Skims material and it's super comfortable. And then these pants are from Form. They're like a little fold over yoga pant and it's just super cozy and you can dress it up. Oh, and I literally am always wearing these Dorsey dupes from Bobble Bar. So our room was the queen high floor room and it was on the 14th floor. It felt surprisingly spacious for a New York hotel. Every detail felt intentional and the ambient lighting was amazing. Okay, I'm wearing a turtleneck and these little booties that I got in Japan, but hopefully I don't freeze. Craving a smoothie and we saw that there's a Sun Life Organics here, so we're on our way. This is a smoothie shop they have in Malibu, so it's so funny that we came all the way to New York just to go to the same place we have in Malibu, but the craving calls and I feel like it's the best. We got a res at Django, which is a highly recommended,
highly sought after, no one takes it.
jazz
We got
bar.
invited.
We got exclusive tickets
Yeah,
to go to Django. We just came back from the night. It's like 12 o'clock. Wanted to tell you guys all about the jazz lounge and the dinner spot. The jazz bar was really nice. You could tell that the musicians were just so talented and so into their craft, and it was just really cool to see. Then we had dinner at Thai Diner. We had a late dinner at like 10 o'clock, but I've passed by it so many times and I always wanted to go. We literally walked in and it felt like we were transported somewhere completely different. They were playing Thai music, like the White Lotus style. So it was really good. We got the pad thai and the coconut chicken and both of them were really good. But yeah, then we walked home and we checked out the rooftop. Okay, they have these really cute domes. It's like igloo style domes with like cozy cushions and candles inside. If you were planning to do a group date or like a couple's hang, I feel like that would be a really cute spot because the skyline's in the background, it's really cozy and it's super spacious. And then there's actually a club upstairs, so it was getting really rowdy. But yeah, time to get ready for bed. See you tomorrow. Got ready. So this morning I went to the gym. I woke up so late. Now we're going to check out of this room so that we can check into a different room that's facing the other way, which should be really nice. It's raining today, so I have my boots on. But yeah, we're gonna check out, work a little bit, and then head to Bob Matcha, which I'm so excited about. It's only like 4 minutes away. Hopefully, because it's raining, there's not gonna be a huge line. And then the rest of the day is just shopping. We are on our way to Strand bookstore to get some Christmas goodies. I have been trying to find this Rhode peptide eye mask thing for so long. I went to Sephora in LA and they were sold out. I just went to the one in Union Square. They're also sold out. So anything Rhode I can't get. We're now on our way to SoHo.
Yeah. Hey. New beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut. Played the game, made bank, moved G. Anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the sword. Swinging blades at these scrubs. Bitches flock like bugs to the light. Getting right. Treat my hoes like these raps. I don't really got a type. Off top, bullshitting. All I needed was a mic.
And we are going to go to Motec. Apparently it's a seed oil free restaurant, but it has 4.9 stars on Google. So we're gonna try to walk in there, walk around the area. Ooh, the Bowery Hotel looks really cute and like very cozy for Christmas. Let's go.
Top bullshitting, all I needed was a mic. Yeah. Hey, pass the rock, it's all butter. Pack your bags and take flight. Don't worry, it's all covered. Hey, live your life while you can. Our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster.
Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back, I'm focused on what's in front of me. Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company.
Good morning. Today we are headed to Ansa Coffee to grab a matcha. I've not seen anyone talk about that spot, but I saw one TikTok that said the matcha looks really promising and they make their own pistachio milk, I believe. Super excited. And then after that we're heading to Printemps for a little girls lunch. The homemade oat milk is so good. You guys, it's freezing. After finishing up brunch, we headed to SoHo to grab some matcha at Rhythm Zero. They're known for their flavored matcha, and the seasonal blackberry pie matcha was such a tasty sweet treat. It literally tasted just like pie. Then we did some shopping in the neighboring areas. SoHo has a revolving door of all the trendiest shops. One of my favorites was the Asta Resort store. They have the cutest sequin vacation wear, like this gorgeous yellow dress. The one place I always stop by in SoHo is the Webster, which is always aesthetic. They even had a same pop-up with cute swimwear. When you're tired of shopping, I highly recommend going to Fidi Coffee for a little hot chocolate break. I've been addicted to these French squirrel white chocolate clusters. Yesterday at Happier Grocer, we bumped into the founder and she gave us a little baggie, but they're so good. They're really addicting though. They're these little like Cheerio looking things covered in white chocolate, peanut butter, and date sugar and cinnamon. It's day 2 of Cafe Panna being sold out and we are so sick of it. So we're thinking about going to Dante in West Village because Cafe Panna makes custom flavors for Dante and they also have an avocado. Let's see. Sunday and today I'm going to Hourglass to get my makeup done. I really want to try their eye little like makeup session. They just like try out their best products on you and you get to buy whatever. So we'll do that. It's a 20-minute thing. And then I'm also going to Abode, which is right next door. Abode is the Pinterest famous little toiletry bags that have embroidery on them. So hoping to get that done. Abode basically was too full, so their next delivery will be mid-January, which is pretty insane. And then I went to Hourglass and they were closed, so now we are pivoting, maybe getting a matcha and then going back to work a little bit. It's really good.
Right, I feel like this is a
Thank you. Just DoorDashed some matcha from Mika's Direction. It's gonna be a late night matcha. I'm really excited to try this one because they had such a good review. Socials and Belly. We'll see how it is. It kind of tastes like green peas. This is the room. It's super nice and spacious. Bathroom, shower, beautiful little sink area. And yeah, they have like a foam roller, a yoga mat. Actually, I really need a stretch. An espresso. I'm hoping this TV has Netflix. Yesterday I wanted to do like the holiday in bed with room service, and obviously Public Hotel doesn't have that, so let's see. The new season of Emily in Paris came out yesterday and I'm dying to watch it. I was watching the previous seasons just to like catch up on exactly what was happening. You guys, I'm so excited. Also, Mindy and Alfie. Did you guys see those trailers? I feel like that is not okay. That's weird. I also don't see them together. I don't know. Curious how that's gonna play out. Hi, it's our last day in New York and there is a lot to do. Today we have a 6 p.m. flight out of JFK to go to Minnesota. Lots and lots of Christmas shopping to be done and just like last minute shopping. I also just found out that they have a kettle matcha senmonten. Senmonten in Japanese means specialty store. Turns out they have, yeah, like a matcha only store. I'm gonna pack, get ready, go to Kettle and then do some Christmas shopping and then head back to New York. So nice.